Alright, so I recently uploaded my video which is explaining basically my experience with the Nurse Practitioner Boards Exam. I wanted to go ahead and check out the video down below. You know, if you have any comments or anything, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. And you know, as I say, everybody's experience is totally different. So here, what I have to say, share your insight on the boards exam. If you know anybody that failed, you know, it is just a sad situation because, as I say, everybody study at different pace, everybody retain information differently. So don't judge another person's situation and then use it to guide your decision in terms of when you'll go and sit the exam. Sit it at your own pace and just go ahead, be optimistic, study as best as you possibly can, and try to retain all the information that you need for your exam, and hopefully you'll come out with, you know, the wonderful grade that you're looking for, which is a pass. Nobody need to know how much you pass by, because when you apply for a job, they're not asking you how many times you've sat the exam or what was your pass grade.